Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a real quick video just to do an introduction on this BMW that's going to get a fresh new paint job, and it is going to be a 3-stage pearl. So I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do in order to get the perfect paint job. So hope you stay with this series and follow this build. Alright guys, thank you very much. This is coming up real soon. I'm going to start posting new videos this coming week. So stay tuned to my channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Also hit that little thumbs up. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And that'll be it, guys. Alright. Thank you very much. And like always, stay safe and God bless.